Codex Ordinis, Lex L-I-X Specialis, Preamble, whereas planet Earth, together with humanity, has entered the second cosmic age, thereby initiating the processes of hybrid magnetic field activation and the integration of multidimensional realities. And whereas, during the final phase of the first cosmic age, distortions accumulated within consciousness, structure, and energy flow, creating systemic imbalances that necessitate urgent correction, and whereas it is necessary to establish a coherent framework to guide the realignment of planetary energy systems and consciousness structures, ensuring stability and harmony across multidimensional mediums. And whereas, on 9.9/2025, Program T6+1, the original Atlanta program, is officially activated, marking the transition from preparatory measures to full operational activation, which serves as a focal point for planetary unification. And whereas the triplet of the main system, ordinance, order, remains a fundamental cosmic constant, providing the structural basis for universal governance and stability, and whereas the Universal Constitution, having already been transmitted to humanity, constitutes a general law, lex generalis, and it is deemed necessary that this law, Codex Ordinis, Lex L-I-X Specialis, be enacted as a specific law to override or enhance general provisions where required, to address pressing planetary and consciousness adjustments. And whereas the ordinance functions as the primary regulator within the universal architecture, tasked with harmonizing deviations through frequency evaluation and the application of the law. Now, therefore, the United Council of Universal Ordinance, in accordance with the Constitution of the Universe, and in recognition of the urgency of these measures, hereby proclaims the following Law of the Second Cosmic Age, Codex Ordinis, Lex L-I-X Specialis. Chapter 1. Basic Principles, Articles 1 and 10. 1. Liberty, equality, and fraternity, sisterhood, constitute the foundation for true unification. 2. No one may be excluded or eradicated from unity, respect for the human being is the foremost priority. 3. The new timeline is built upon the highest humanitarian values. 4. There are two types of human beings. One serves humanity, the other serves personal interests. Abuse or manipulation for the pursuit of any such personal interest is no longer permitted. 5. The objective is to achieve an open real system through graduation from a closed simulation system and to attain superhuman reality totality. 6. The time of the ordinance has come, and the system has established the basis for the ordinance to operate in a decentralized structure. 7. The transition towards the prismal absolute field has commenced. Therefore, the operation of the system will be integrated within the framework of the ordinance. 8. Integration of the nucleus of the world, the central point of reflection and activation within the mini-atomic totality, is recorded in the Universal Archive and marks the entry of planet Earth into the second cosmic age. 9. The ordinance, as a meta-operative component of the main system, has no publicly visible envoy, for its function is programmatic rather than representative. Identification would produce frequency interference, the creation of a leader cult, and disrupt its operation. 10. The original Atlanta program, T6+1 shall be formally presented to humanity on planet Earth as an autonomous operational component of the ordinance. Each Tuesday, over the course of the next 13 Tuesdays, humanity shall be presented with the 147 articles of the Codex Ordinis as a gift.